Welcome to the Study English Today channel, one phrase every day. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the phrase give me a hand and how to use it in everyday conversation. Give me a hand is a common expression used to ask for help or assistance from someone. It's a polite way to ask for help without sounding demanding. Here are some examples of how to use this phrase. Example 1. Let's say you're moving into a new apartment and you need help carrying a heavy box. You can say, "Hey, can you give me a hand with this box?" to ask for help. Example 2. If you're cooking a big meal for a party and you need help chopping vegetables, you can say, "Can someone give me a hand with these vegetables, please?" Example 3. If you're working on a project at work and you need a colleague's help to finish it, you can say, "Do you mind giving me a hand with this project?" Remember, give me a hand is a polite way to ask for help or assistance without sounding demanding. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to me.